Hello guys, welcome to this piano tutorial lesson. So today I'll be teaching you how to play Lamb of God in the key of F, Lamb of God by GUC. Alright, it's a very nice worship song. Somebody requested this, song in the key of F. So exactly what I'm doing. Alright, so let's go. We are going to start with the intro. Let's go guys. You are the lamb unto my feet. You're the light unto my path. You are Jesus, the honor of my life. You are the peace in raging storm. You're my hope for years to come. You are Jesus, the honor of my life. I call you Jesus, Lamb of God. Your name is Jesus, peace in my storm. I call you Jesus, Lamb of guys, so that's kind of the breakdown of the song, the key of F. So I'm going to start with the intro of the song. All right, so the key of I'm going to start with the intro of the song. Remember, we are playing the key of F. All right, so this is do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. All right, so we are starting with the one. The one here is F. All right, F major. So I'm going to play this F added 9. Okay. Do, re, mi, so, so. All right, so, so here will be, do, re, mi, so, so. Do, re, mi, so, so. All right, so when you do that, mi, so, so. All right, you go to so, so again. You go to so. This is the fifth, all right. So this one will be the fifth, all right. This is C major. C major is the fifth on the in key F. So you do that. C D. So it's like F G F G La F G F G A C C C C C C. You go to the C major broken chord, all right, which is the fifth. Still broken chord here, then you play C inversion. All right, then the second time, all right, this is the fourth. All right, fourth here is A sharp major. That is the fourth. All right. So when you do that, guys, okay, that's kind of the intro of the song. So okay, now your verse 1 of the song, you're the lamb. Okay, you're the lamb. So we're starting with the fourth. So it's 4-1-5. All right, 4-1-5-6. That's the chord progression. 4-1-5-6. Then 4-2-1 source 2. all right. Okay, that is actually the verse of the song. So the fourth is A major, A sharp major. So it's like this, A sharp. So this A sharp, G and F. So you're the lamb unto my feet. All right. So this is the one. Okay, one is F major. Since we are playing in F, so you are the lamb unto my F major 1. All right. Then 5. You're the light into my path. In my 6 is D minor. You can do that passing chord if you like. This A minor is D minor. All right. Okay. So we do it. Let me start it. You're the light unto my path. You're the light unto my path. All right. D minor. You are Jesus. Go back to the 1, to the 4. Okay, now the owner of my life. So the owner of my 2. All right. 2 here is G minor. All right. So G, A sharp, and Z. All right. The owner of my. Now you take sus2. Sus2. This is sus2 on F major. So the owner of my life, sus2 and 5. All right. It's 5 rather. It's not 1. Okay. The sus2 is on 5. 1. All right, guys. So that's the breakdown of the verse. Okay. So because when you do that, you still do. You are the peace in raging storm. Okay, you're my hope. 5. My hope for years to come. D minor. You are Jesus. This time around, you just do. You not take sus2. The owner of 5 and 5. This 5, which is C major, and 1, which is F major, guys. All right. So now the chorus of the song, it goes like this. I call you Jesus, F major. Then you go to 5. Lamb of God, 1. All right. 1 is F major. Your name is A sharp major. Your name is Jesus, A sharp major. All right. This C major in my storm, F major, which is the 1. I call you Jesus, 4, which is A sharp major. Lamb, 5 major. Lamb of God. I call you Jesus. I call you Jesus. All right. So I'm substituting this guy with F. I'm substituting this one. This is a D sharp major. All right. It's like an accidental chord. I've substituted with the 4th. All right. So I call you Jesus. All right. Go back to 5. Lamb of God. Alright, guys, so when you do that, you go to verse 2 and you do the same thing, then you sing the chorus, and that's all about the song, guys. Do well to subscribe to my channel. God bless you.